Hi everyone, welcome back to A-Star Personal Tutoring. In this session, we're going to focus on how to convert fractions into percentages. Now, I'm going to start off with an eighth, 1/8, and I want you to have a go at converting that into a percentage. Now, it's really helpful to know all these facts beforehand, but I'm just going to go through it with you. What is 1 divided by 8? So I'm going to use the short division method. I'm going to say how many 8s go into 1? Well, we know it's 0. And we carry the 1 forward. How many 8s go into 10? 8 goes into it once. What's left over? 9, 10. So there's 2 left over. So you carry the 2. How many 8s go into 20? 8, 16 goes into it twice. What's left over? 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 4 left over. How many 8s go into 40? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So that's 5. Now we've converted that into a decimal. Now to change 0.125 into a percentage, we must multiply it by 100 because obviously percent is out of 100. And we do that by going 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So the answer is 12.5. That is how you convert fractions into percentages. So we did 1 divided by 8 and then multiply it by 100. Okay. Let's have a look at another one. Can you convert 2/4 into a percentage again? Okay, what is 1/4? We know 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. We are now going to double it up. We're going to add another quarter to make it into 2/4, 0.25. So the answer is 0.50, which is half. So once again, we're going to multiply it by 100. 2 steps to the right, 1, 2. So the answer is 50%. Okay, let's have a look at another one. This time, have a go on your own. Is 3/5 as a percentage. Okay, we know 1/5 as a percentage is 0.2. We're going to multiply that by 3. So let's do it 2 more times. So the answer is 0.6. And then we're going to multiply it by 100 to make it into a percentage. So 0.6, multiply that by 100. Have a go on your own. Try and see if you can convert it. We're going to do 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So the answer is 60%. Okay, this time we're going to do something a little bit different. In a test paper, you might have a question like this. 13/20, and you need to convert that into percentage. Now, percent, we know, is out of 100. How many 20s go into 100? That is the question. So how many times did it take to get from 20 to 100? Let's do it together. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So it goes into it 5. What you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. 13 times 5. Well, we know 12 times 5. Let's take a shortcut. We know 12 times 5 equals 60. So 13 times 5 equals 65. So the answer is 65%.